To schedule an SMS on your Android device, go to your messages. And then let's say I want to send an SMS to this very contact, but I want to schedule it. I'm not ready to send it right away. I want to schedule it for a later time, maybe because I don't want to forget and miss out. For example, if this person's birthday is tomorrow and I want to send a message, but maybe I know that that very time I will be busy, I might forget, so I can just go ahead and schedule it. So let's type our message. All right, so I've typed the message and about to send it, but I'm not going to send it. I would rather schedule it. So what to do is to tap on this arrow which says SMS. Tap on it, press and hold. Then you see the option to schedule. And then you can either schedule for later today, later tomorrow 8 o'clock, or you can select another day and time. So I'll tap on select date and time and select the date from this very interface. Now this arrow would help you move from month to month. You keep moving until you get to the next year. Can you see? Or you can use the back arrow to go back in case you have passed the date. So I want to schedule it for tomorrow, 10th of August. So I'll tap on it, then tap on next and select the time. So if I want to schedule it for, let's say 8, tap on the minutes, tap on 0. So this is it. So I'll tap on set. Then I'll go ahead and tap on the arrow to send it as a scheduled message. Can you see? It has been scheduled to deliver by 8 a.m. tomorrow. Now you can also edit it in case you forgot to add some things or you want to remove some words from the message. Simply tap on this arrow again and then you see the option update message. So you can tap on it, add some words or delete any word you don't want to see in there. Then tap on the arrow again and still schedule it. You can also tap on it again to send it immediately if you change your mind, or to even delete the message entirely. Another way to choose the date is to tap on the arrow again, press and hold. Then you tap on select date and time. You can use the pencil icon at the top to just enter a date of your choice. Enter the date, enter the month, enter the year. Okay, can you see? Then you tap on next. So the next thing is for you to select the time. Okay, then tap on set and then go ahead and send it. If you got value in this video, consider liking this video and sharing it out to people who might find it useful. Thank you for your support and I will see you in my next content. Later.